Hey guys, my name's Ivana and welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. It's been quite some time since I've had anything to share with you guys. So today I had kind of a unique unboxing that I thought I would share with you. I really was impressed by this company and by what I've seen on YouTube as far as their products. And so I thought I'd give them a try. So I've got two things, but I was gonna share one in this video and I think I'll unbox the other one in a later video. The company is Portland Leather Goods, and I was just so impressed by their story online and how transparent they are with everything and what a family kind of oriented feel their company has, and the quality and workmanship, and everything is done in the United States, in North America. So if you guys are interested in learning more about this company, please go on their website. It's portlandleathergoods.com. Here is item number one. It came in this box here. And I did see this on another video, and if I find the great reviews that these people have done, I will share that down below so you can see another perspective or two. I'm just afraid to slice into this because it seems like it's packaged very well, and I don't want to cut into anything that I shouldn't be cutting into. So this is how it came, wrapped up. And a thank you card for supporting our team of artisans. And we hope you enjoy your new handmade leather goods. We are so thankful for each and every one of our customers. Your support helps our team to continue making a living by making what we love. Leave us a review. And there's the website and the information. And then the leather care and instructions are on the back, which they also have on their website. And it's very nice. So here it is. It's really pretty. So here we go, guys. It's actually a tiny bit smaller than I thought, but that's my fault for not, checking the measurements. It is all full grain leather. It's got a very thick and sturdy strap. Oh my gosh, it smells delightful. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 holes, which is great. And inside is just an empty compartment, no pockets or anything like that. There's one slip pocket on the outside here, which will easily hold a phone. Portland Leather Goods is in there. Portland leather bag. There is the possibility of excess dye on leather, especially dark leather goods. Avoid wearing with light colors while breaking in, as color may transfer. For more leather care, visit portlandleather.com, pages/leather-care. So it is pretty lightweight for a bag of this substantial leather. So I would compare this leather to the Dooney & Bourke Florentine leather, but it doesn't feel as heavy. And that's probably because there's no lining and there's no pockets. It does have substantial hardware here, which clips on the inside of the bag, so that if you didn't want to use the strap and you wanted to use it as a satchel, you could remove it. And it's got some beefy kind of antique brass hardware there, the clips. And here it is. It's really, really lightweight. So the beauty of this leather is it's not coated in any way, so that it scratches and it patinas, and it's similar to the way the Dooney & Bourke leather does, where you'll get a scratch on there and they recommend you can rub it out with your finger or a soft cloth. And over time it will develop a beautiful sheen and patina, and it will become part of the characteristics of the bag. So here it is, the front, side, the back, inside and the bottom, no feet. And inside, again, it's just a raw leather. It smells so good. It smells like a saddle. So there it is. It's really a great size because it's not too big, but you can just throw your things in. Oh, also there is a snap closure right there, and you have to physically snap it and it will stay closed, which is a nice feature. So let's hook this back up and let's do some mod shots. Oh, by the way, this is the cognac color, and I just thought it looked so gorgeous online. It's got little highs and lows in the leather. I don't know if you can see that, and little natural characteristics, but overall, it's pretty smooth. It has little veining here and there, but it's all part of the beauty of the leather. So let's see. So here it is as a shoulder bag. And that is on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I've got it on the 4th hole from the bottom, so somewhat in the middle. And crossbody, that's kind of short for a crossbody, but you can adjust. Oh, I can see the highs and lows looking at it from the top down here. It's pretty. Hope you guys can hear me okay since I'm outside. I'm gonna put it on the second to the last. And there we go. That's more of a crossbody length. And it does fit really nicely as a crossbody because it's got a slender profile, but I tend, oh, let me do it on the crook. So the handle drop is not a very generous one, but for the most part, if you're not wearing a coat or anything that bulky, then you should be able to put it over your arm or maybe over your wrist. But I think I would tend to wear this more as a shoulder bag or a crossbody bag. So there it is, guys. It is beautiful. I do love the raw interior. I feel like this is a bag that will last forever. And I do believe that they have a lifetime warranty. I'm gonna have to double check that, but you can contact them, and if something needs repair, you can send it back and they'll repair it. It just looks like it's made so very well. You can see the stitching on there. They talk about the sewing machines that they use and the thread, and they talk about where they source their leather from, and everything is handmade, I believe, in their shop. Most of their items are handmade in their shop. There is a tag in here too. I love that jingling sound. Created by Portland Leather Goods, made in America, I believe it says. Thank you so much for joining me for this unboxing, and check out some other people's reviews on YouTube. I believe My Finds. She's got a couple videos maybe on these items, and that's where I first learned about this brand, on her channel. And so go check her out. I will link maybe a video of hers down below also. This out here right now is my life. This is where I work. I work from home during our quarantine period, so I work outside here. I spend as much time as I can outside, so we're in my happy place right now. If you like this video, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the bell for notifications for when I upload more videos. And I thank you so much for stopping by, and so does my little friend. And I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye, guys.